Easy shot, easy. Oh, yeah, just don't let me in. Don't. What? Oh. Easy shot, easy. GG. Easy shot, easy. Oh, he died. He's gonna get the button. He's gonna get the button. He's gonna get it. Yo, he's done it. He's done it. He's good. And it lagged. And it lagged again. Let's go. Let's go. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing it. He's doing. Oh, he. I don't know why he walked into the crate. He gave it a little kiss as well. I'm not gonna do that skip. I'm not goated enough. I hate everything! I hate everything, bro. Oh my god. Yeah, we did. Chat, am I good? Chat, is he good? He's getting 4. No, I got the button. Okay. Never mind. No, he died! No, he died. Easy, Balavic shot. Yawn. Oh my god. Wait, why is my heart? Why am I getting nervous? What's going on? Wait, please don't spawn the ladder in. No! Please don't. It failed on me. Help. I'm done. I quit this game. And I don't see him anymore. Hopefully he doesn't die though. I had the button. Let me get behind me, isn't he? He is right behind me, isn't he? Oh, no, he's not anymore. This tower is so easy, I don't know what to tell you. This tower is so free. Oh, no mind, just kiss the wall, bro, it's fine. Lock in. Lock in, bro. I lagged. That's awesome. I love this game so much. I love this game so much. And I'm dead. Sorry. Easy, bro, Livework. Oh my god, what can I say? What can I say, bro? I'm too good at the game. Yawn. Too easy. Easy, love it, look. And I'm not doing this again. Wow.